Creating a CMM program for small and intricate features on complex CAD surfaces can be challenging. Programming for trimmed or very narrow features could require manual adjustments. PolyWorks Inspector 2025 automates the measurement setup of these features during inspection programming. It intelligently adjusts the exclusion distances to ensure feature measurability, places measurement points on trimmed features such as cylinders, cones, and spheres, and reduces the approach and retract distances on narrow cones. These improvements eliminate manual adjustments and ensure feature measurability regardless of size or complexity. Download PolyWorks Inspector 2025 today and accelerate your CMM programming.